Hey everyone, Coach Roxanne coming to you here from my home office in central New York. And I wanted to talk to you today about the vision board workshop that I'm going to be doing. And it's going to take place on January 2nd, 2019. And the reason that I wanted to talk to you today about that is that I wanted to tell you a little bit about my manifesting story and what happened with my very first vision board. And it was about 2005 or so. I went to a company convention and I had taken my vision board with me and I showed it to a few friends at the convention. And then my family and I decided that we were going to move to Kentucky. My friend Laura was looking for a place for us to move down there, and her sister was also looking. She had told her sister that, we were looking for a place, and so her sister was helping her look for a place for us to move to. And her sister took a wrong turn one day, and that wrong turn ended up finding a house for rent that we ended up moving into. Laura took a picture of the house and she said, Roxanne, I think this is your porch. I think this is the porch from the vision board that you showed me. And it did look like the porch. It was gorgeous. I love porches. So when we got to Kentucky in 2007, oh my goodness, that porch was the porch from the picture that I had put on my vision board a couple years earlier. And it's not the only thing that I've manifested using a vision board, and I haven't used one in years, but I really need to do one again because some amazing things happen. And you might think that a vision board is just slapping a bunch of pictures of what you want on a piece of paper. It's not. That's totally not what a vision board is. It's not a collage of pictures. There's a lot that goes into making a vision board. So what this vision board workshop is going to do is going to teach you exactly what you need to do to make sure that your vision board is going to help you have all your dreams and come true in 2019. So go ahead and click the link below or above this video, wherever it is, and get my vision board workshop. Grab it this week. It's on a low introductory price this week. The price is going up next week. So if you want it, grab it now. But I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do. And there's different kinds of vision boards. I'll be showing you all of them. And some of you have asked me, is this just for people who are in business? Absolutely not. This is for anybody, anything. If you want something in your life better than what you have right now, go today. Go sign up for that vision board workshop. I don't know when it's going to fill up. But I do know that by next week, the price is going to go up. If you wait for the replay, it will be recorded and there will be a replay for those of you who can't make it. You'll get the replay. This vision board workshop will be live and interactive. So, it's to your benefit to be on it, but if you can't, don't worry about it. I will send a replay out. And for those of you who think, well, I'm going to wait till after and just grab the replay, I can guarantee you the price of the replay is going to be higher than the price of the live workshop. Otherwise, I wouldn't ever have anybody on the live workshops. So go ahead and grab it now while the price is low. It's at a low introductory price. So grab it now. I'm going to have all kinds of other stories coming up of things that have happened over the years for me, for people who I know, for my friends and team members. And, a lot of wonderful things have happened for us using vision boards. So I'm going to tell you exactly what those things are. And I'm going to keep this video really short, under 5 minutes, just to say hi and tell you about one little story for now and give you the opportunity to grab that vision board workshop at a low introductory price. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.